So we're gonna try and go up this giant hill in multiple different trucks, starting with this 6-liter diesel K5 Blazer without the bed cover or the doors. Well, based off the 1982 model. I'm gonna speed this up for your entertainment. Yeah, just cruising. Oh, I might be touching the steering wheel. You don't even really have to touch the steering wheel. You really just cruise up. Like you can see. This thing's a big, good, sturdy, and shiny. You haven't even gone up into second gear. We're just cruising in first. Literally just cruising first. Hold up. We're gonna have to do a reverse maneuver. Forward in a second. Okay. Come on. Come on. You got it? No glass half, because that's the easy way up. No control next. Easy way up, we're not cheating. And that half isn't cheating. Only taking block half. Yeah, K5 is really just good at climbing. Come on. You can do this. Come on. Forward. Come on. Yeah. Okay, that's where we're gonna leave the truck. Next up is the big truck. This is the big truck. It's pretty much over. We're going here to the truck. I'm trying to go forward. It's kind of hard whenever you're talking to the top right now. You can't always have trail like this, and you don't go for cars, big cars, solution. And that's all this is doing. Next up is gonna be a baseline, just on the truck. Who's the speed? Who's the speed? No, flipping. I'm turning the wheel, please. No, please not. Pull the over. No. This is really looking at Frick, monster. Now pull it over to here. Okay, the baseline truck. This is the baseline we're using this truck. Just completely unmodded, just basically put the line with BMG. Then we have some diesels and 8-liter diesel V8s inside them. Those are pretty good. They get pretty far. They put my truck get pretty far. I'll say that. Come on. Wiggle method. Wiggle. Come on, do wiggles. Okay, we're gonna do the reverse if we're gonna do anything on. We'll leave it right there. That's the 8-liter diesel. This one has 44 inches. A super low range mode. It lets it only go up to 6 miles an hour. 100 PSI right now. If I remember correctly, the top speed of this thing is I say. It's cool though. It's pretty good. The only word with this one is also flipping, because how big it is. Everyone else, like literally look at that. You understand why we're worried about flipping this? Look at that shit, man. Just chilling up on the hill. Let me pass up my Jeep. Come on, Jeep. You got it? Yeah, second gear. Got it. Perfect. No. God damn. We're doing a bad move. Okay, we're gonna pull myself forward a bit. Nope. Dang it, motherfucker. I feel like this Jeep is going to attempts already. Next time it flips over is going to be his last attempt. Because I'm getting tired of having to all this. Yeah, next time it should be a fun time. Yeah, let's just leave it right there. This thing with a top speed of 100 miles an hour, we're going to drive it up this hill though. And that's on a flat ground, it goes up to 100 in high gear. This one should be better because it's lower, so it shouldn't flip easily. Yeah, this thing has a lot of here. And the other Jeep goes up to 60. This goes up to 5. Oh, it is Jeep. This one has no modification down with the whole lot of modification. The only thing this one has done is a different hydrogen and engine swap. With 8-liter V8 diesel engine, you know? And then you also kind of swap the air. You also kind of swap the fuel tank so then you'll get diesel. I mean, you don't really need to swap the rainbow thing. And then there was yellow. They were all yellow pieces. They were all yellow. Not the grass path, not the grass path, not in the grass path. Get that thing around. Dingus. No, dingus. Synchronizers up here. Ow. The ship. Let's get into the here. And the ship, I'm gonna ship it tonight. Let's get up. That's pretty close here. What did you modify? That was cool. I may have modified the code on the sheet, I forget. Did I? The other jeep was made up for the other jeeps for performance. Okay. I'm just gonna go forward a bit before, okay, now we're gonna go backwards so we don't interfere with the other truck. Now I'm gonna back up onto the grass. Base. Perfect, my engine. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. Got pretty close, and then a slip right there.
2,600